English with ChatGPT. In the modern world, the English language has become very important. It is used in almost every country. People use it in schools, colleges, offices, business, travel, and on the internet. Knowing English can help you get a good job, study in other countries, talk to people from around the world, and understand books, movies, and news. But for many people, learning English is not easy. Some people do not have good teachers. Others feel shy when they try to speak. Some people are busy with work and do not have time to go to classes. Now, there is a new way to learn English, and it is simple and helpful. You can learn English by talking to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool created by a company called OpenAI. It is like a smart computer that can talk to you in English. It can answer your questions, help you with grammar, explain difficult words, and even speak with you in a conversation. The best part is that you can use ChatGPT anytime you want. You do not have to go anywhere. You do not need to wait. You just open your phone or computer and start learning. Many people around the world are using ChatGPT to improve their English. Some use it to practice writing. Some use it to learn new vocabulary. Others use it to prepare for job interviews or exams like IELTS and TOEFL. You can ask ChatGPT to explain a topic in easy English, and it will help you step by step. If you make mistakes, it can correct them. If you don't understand something, you can ask again, and it will give a better explanation. When you begin learning English with ChatGPT, you can start with simple conversations. You can say things like, "Hello, how are you?" Or, "Can you help me learn English?" ChatGPT will answer in simple English if you tell it to. You can say, "Please speak to me like I'm a beginner," and it will use easy words. As you keep practicing, your English will improve day by day. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it is very patient. You can ask the same question many times, and it will never get angry. If you do not understand a word or sentence, you can ask ChatGPT to explain it in a different way. It can use examples, simple sentences, or even stories to make things easier for you. This makes learning fun and stress-free. Many people feel nervous when speaking English with others. They are afraid that others will laugh at them or correct them in a rude way. With ChatGPT, you do not need to feel shy. You can practice as much as you want. You can write sentences and ask ChatGPT if they are correct. You can also ask ChatGPT to act like a friend and talk to you in a friendly way. This helps you become more confident. You can also learn grammar using ChatGPT. If you want to learn tenses, articles, prepositions, or any grammar rule, you can ask ChatGPT to teach you. It will explain the rule and give you examples. For example, you can say, "Please teach me the past tense with examples," and ChatGPT will show you how to use it in real sentences. You can then try to write your own sentences, and ChatGPT will check them for you. Another helpful way to use ChatGPT is for learning new words. You can ask ChatGPT to teach you 5 or 10 new words every day. It will give you the word, the meaning, and a sentence to show how the word is used. This helps you remember better. You can also ask ChatGPT to give you quizzes or small tests, so you can check how much you remember. If you want to practice speaking, you can use ChatGPT along with a speech-to-text tool. You speak into your phone, and the words appear on the screen. ChatGPT can then reply to you. This helps you improve your pronunciation and speaking fluency. You can also ask ChatGPT to give you topics for conversation. You can say, "Let's talk about health," or "Tell me about traveling," and ChatGPT will start a conversation. You can reply and keep the conversation going. This is very useful for people who do not have anyone to practice with. Writing practice is also easy with ChatGPT. You can try writing small paragraphs or essays. For example, you can write about your day, your dreams, your city, or your favorite movie. Then, you can ask ChatGPT to correct your writing. It will show you the mistakes and tell you how to improve. Over time, your writing skills will become much better. For students and job seekers, ChatGPT can help with exams and interviews. You can ask ChatGPT to ask you interview questions and you can practice answering them. You can also prepare for English exams by asking ChatGPT to give you reading passages, writing topics, and grammar exercises. It can also explain answers and help you learn from your mistakes. The best way to use ChatGPT is to make a daily habit. Even 15 to 30 minutes every day can bring big changes. You can start with simple questions in the morning, learn new words in the afternoon, and write something before bed. If you do this every day, you will see great improvement in a few months. Some people worry that using AI like ChatGPT will make them lazy or dependent. But this is not true if you use it the right way. ChatGPT is like a helper or a guide. It will not do everything for you. You still have to think, learn, and practice. ChatGPT gives you the right tools and support, but your success depends on your effort. It is like having a personal teacher who is always there for you. Many English learners from different countries have shared their stories about how ChatGPT helped them. A student from India used it to pass the IELTS exam. A shopkeeper from Bangladesh used it to talk to foreign customers. A young woman from Brazil used it to improve her English and now works in a big company. These stories show that anyone can learn English with the help of ChatGPT. In the future, more and more people will use tools like ChatGPT to learn. It is fast, easy, and personal. You do not need books, classrooms, or expensive teachers. You just need your phone and the desire to learn. English is not just a language, it is a key that opens many doors. And ChatGPT is like a friendly guide who helps you use that key. If you are serious about learning English, start today. Open ChatGPT and write a message like, "Please help me learn English from the beginning." From that moment, your learning journey will begin. Remember, every big success starts with a small step. Don't worry if your English is not perfect now. Keep trying, keep learning, and use ChatGPT every day. You will become better and better, and one day, you will be able to speak and write English with full confidence. In part 1, we learned how ChatGPT can help you start learning English. We saw how you can use it for grammar, vocabulary, writing, and even speaking. Now in part 2, we will go deeper. We will learn how to use ChatGPT to become fluent in English. We will also see how to create a daily routine and use real-life topics to grow your language skills step by step. Let us begin by understanding what fluency means. Fluency is not just knowing many words. It is about speaking clearly, listening with understanding, reading smoothly, and writing without too many mistakes. To become fluent, you need daily practice. And ChatGPT can be your perfect daily partner. Let's imagine your day. You wake up in the morning. The best way to begin is by chatting with ChatGPT. You can say, "Good morning, ChatGPT. Let's talk in English today." Then you can tell it about your plans. For example, "Today I have to go to the market," or "I will study and clean my room." ChatGPT can correct your sentences and make them better. This helps you learn daily use English. After your morning chat, you can ask ChatGPT to give you 5 new English words. For each word, you can ask for the meaning, pronunciation, and example sentence. Let's say the words are improve, focus, mistake, schedule, and habit. You can repeat the words, write them down, and make your own sentences using them. For example, I want to improve my English, or I made a mistake yesterday. This builds your vocabulary and makes you more confident. In the afternoon, you can try a short conversation with ChatGPT. You can say, let's talk about food, or let's talk about my city. ChatGPT will start asking questions like, what is your favorite food? Or, describe your city. You can answer, and ChatGPT will help you correct and improve your answers. Slowly, you will feel more comfortable talking about different topics in English. Another great way to practice is by using role play with ChatGPT. You can say, pretend to be a shopkeeper, and I will be a customer. Then you can act out a full conversation. ChatGPT will respond like a real person. You can also do role plays like job interviews, travel situations, doctor visits, and more. This kind of practice is very useful because it helps you speak in real-life situations. Reading practice is also important. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a small story or article to read. Ask it to make the English simple so you can understand better. After reading, you can ask questions like, what does this word mean? Or, can you explain this sentence? You can also write a short summary, and ChatGPT will help you correct it. This builds your reading and writing skills together. Listening practice is also possible. You can ask ChatGPT to write a short story and then use a text-to-speech tool on your phone to listen to it. As you listen, read along with the text. This will improve your listening and pronunciation. If you hear a word you don't know, you can ask ChatGPT to explain it. In the evening, you can try writing a short diary entry. Write about your day in English. For example, today I woke up early. I cleaned my room and studied English. I ate rice and vegetables for lunch. Then send it to ChatGPT and ask, please check my writing. ChatGPT will show you the mistakes and give you better ways to say the same things. Day by day, your writing will become more natural. Before going to sleep, you can have a short conversation with ChatGPT. Talk about how your day went, what you learned, and what you want to do tomorrow. You can even say, please ask me 5 questions to test my English today. ChatGPT will ask questions, and you can answer. This helps you remember what you learned and feel proud of your progress. Many people ask how long it takes to become fluent. The answer is different for everyone. But if you practice every day with ChatGPT for at least 30 minutes, you will see big changes in 2 to 3 months. If you continue for 6 months, your English will become much better. And if you keep going for a year, you can become fluent. One important thing to remember is to not be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes while learning. Even native English speakers make mistakes sometimes. ChatGPT is a friendly helper. It will never laugh at you or make you feel bad. It will support you and correct you in a kind way. This makes learning comfortable and safe. Some learners also use ChatGPT to prepare for exams like IELTS, TOEFL, and others. You can say, please help me prepare for IELTS speaking, and ChatGPT will give you practice topics and feedback. You can practice speaking answers, writing essays, reading passages, and more. ChatGPT will explain everything in a clear and simple way. Here is a story of one learner. Her name is Meera, and she is from a small town. She wanted to learn English but had no teacher. She started using ChatGPT for 20 minutes every day. She practiced writing small stories, learning new words, and speaking using role plays. After 6 months, she was able to speak clearly in job interviews and got a good job in the city. She says ChatGPT helped her more than any book or class. There is another learner named Ali. He wanted to move to Canada for studies. His English was weak, so he started chatting with ChatGPT every night. He learned grammar rules, did speaking practice, and improved his writing. He passed the IELTS test and now studies in Toronto. He says that ChatGPT was like his personal English coach. These stories show that anyone, from any background, can improve their English using ChatGPT. You do not need money or a fancy school. You just need your phone and a desire to learn. ChatGPT is always ready to help. If you are feeling confused or lost about how to begin, here is a simple daily plan you can follow. Morning. Greet ChatGPT and have a short chat. Learn 5 new words. Afternoon. Have a conversation or role play. Read a short story and ask questions. Evening. Write a short diary entry and check it with ChatGPT. Do a 5-question test. Night. Talk about your day. Ask ChatGPT to teach you one new grammar rule. This plan takes only 30 to 45 minutes a day. But it gives you full practice, speaking, listening, reading, and writing. You can change the plan to fit your life. The key is to practice every day. As you grow, you can also ask ChatGPT to speak with you at a higher level. You can say, "Please use intermediate English now," or "Teach me advanced vocabulary." ChatGPT will adjust to your level. This way, you will keep improving. In the future, AI tools like ChatGPT will become more powerful. But you don't need to wait. You can start using them now to become a better English speaker. Every day is a new chance to learn. Every small effort brings you closer to fluency. So if you are ready to become fluent in English, don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Open ChatGPT and say, "Hi, I want to learn English with you." That first message is the beginning of your success.